Hi, now I will start to introduce MonaLisa module products. My name is Hanks, the Solution Marketing Director at QUOPIN. MonaLisa solution product provides a function of transferring video, audio outputs from a notebook or a desktop, a smart pad, a tablet, from one place to another as they are, through the Ethernet communication network, like this. The MonaLisa solution is composed of a transmitter and a receiver, of which system construction is very simple and very intuitive. The transmitter is connected to video-audio source devices, and the receiver is connected to display output devices, TV or monitor. You just link between a transmitter and the receiver with the Ethernet UTP cable. For your better understanding, now I will show the whole connection demonstration with a notebook. You just gotta link the transmitter to the receiver with the Ethernet UTP cable. You gotta switch on the power after you check electricity supplied to the transmitter and receiver boards. You gotta link the MonaLisa receiver and your TV with the HDMI cable onto both sides connectors. You gotta link MonaLisa transmitter and your TV with the HDMI cable onto both sides connectors. You can transfer your videos you are watching to any big screen from iPad to iPhone 4S, smartphone, tablet very easily and intuitively. You don't need to bother to install any application software into your devices. Now you are watching iPad video transfer demonstration with MonaLisa. As for iPads, iPhone 4S, you gotta use HDMI gender connector available in market to connect to MonaLisa. Now you are watching on a big TV screen a racing game played in iPad. In this way, you can enjoy your iPad's casual game, picture, animation, video, web surfing on your big TV screen or monitor. Because MonaLisa transports multimedia through internet network in the form of a data packet, it allows a normal wireless LAN device to transport multimedia as well. Now I will link MonaLisa transmitter and receiver to 802.11 and access point system, which I bought from a retail shop. We already configured these wireless LAN systems such that they communicate each other. Onto these systems, I will link MonaLisa via Ethernet ports. Okay, now you can see a smooth transmission of a video display like this. Normally, you can deliver videos from MonaLisa as far as a 40 to 50 meter distance through wireless LAN systems. MonaLisa transfers in real-time multimedia and data. MonaLisa transports them in the form of IP Ethernet packet. You just gotta connect your devices to MonaLisa devices via display to display and sound to sound. It transparently sends video and sound as they appear in the source side. MonaLisa can also send and receive control signals to and from its counterpart MonaLisa. MonaLisa is a pair solution consisting of a transmitter and receiver. There are semiconductor, module, and system solutions of MonaLisa released in the market. You can transmit multimedia both through wired network and wireless network of standard Ethernet. You can utilize your current network installed for internet in your office or home to deliver your multimedia display to wherever you want. You can easily transmit your video display to two remote places just by connecting two MonaLisa receivers by UTP cable to transmitters' Ethernet ports. Basically, MonaLisa has two Ethernet ports. I will explain MonaLisa module solution components in detail. MonaLisa module solution is composed of a module and its baseboard in a nutshell. Developers can modify the baseboard's design and develop their own product. Each transmitter board and receiver board comprises a MonaLisa QMM module which gears into its baseboard, HDMI connector, 15-pin D-sub connector, stereo audio jack, Ethernet RJ45 connector, PS2 connector. Besides, UTP LAN cable, programming console cable, user manuals are provided, and a DC power adapter and a HDMI cable are provided for transmitter and receiver respectively. For more detailed information, please refer to the user manual. You can change some specifications of a MonaLisa solution via programming console cable connected to the MonaLisa baseboard. You just connect with console cable your computer and MonaLisa baseboard. Via the console cable, you can adjust MonaLisa specifications by changing some parameter values. Firstly, you can change the display resolutions supported by MonaLisa. Basically, MonaLisa module supports the following video resolutions. Among these video resolutions, MonaLisa supports all below ones of the resolution that you set on the MonaLisa. By console programming, you can change the ratio of I frames versus P frames that are sent from MonaLisa transmitter and receiver in an easy manner. This parameter change affects the network bandwidth occupied by video transmission. For kind of example information, please refer to the user manual. Users can adjust video quality as the transmitter compresses video received from the video source device. Examples are provided in the user manual. This adjustment of quantization parameter affects network traffic quantity and transfer delay caused by compression, decompression, transportation. Developers also can check the number of video frames per second transferred by MonaLisa and network traffic in bits per second when they change those parameters for resolution setting, IP frame ratio, and quantization values. You can change in the MonaLisa module such values as MAC address, IP address, and others. In addition, since MonaLisa makes multimedia data into IP Ethernet packets, it can send them to multiple receivers concurrently by configuring MonaLisa network parameters. We call it multimode. By the multimode setting on MonaLisa module for broadcasting or multicasting, the same video on a MonaLisa transmitter can be broadcast or multicast to as many MonaLisa receivers as you want in the same local area network. It is helpful to refer to user manual if you are able to construct a local area network. Okay, so far you have watched the MonaLisa demonstration and listened to its presentation. You can contact sales agents for purchase that are listed and linked in QUOPIN website.